Good morning, beta. Today we are going to do the act-wise summary of the play, The Merchant of Venice. In the first act, we find that Antonio is very sad. He does not know the reason of his sadness. He is so sad that his friends are worried that we do not know what has happened. He is a very rich man, a very royal type of merchant. He is very famous in Venice, and very much he is loved and respected by one and all. So when he is very sad, then his friends tell him that maybe you have fallen in love, but that is not the case. Actually, he is worried about his ships that he has sent with the merchandise. He does not know what is bothering him because he does not know the fate of the ships. Actually, he has heard that there is a storm in the sea. That is why he is worried and sad. We also find in this act that Bassanio needs some money. He comes to Antonio and asks him for 3,000 ducats. That he needs 3,000 ducats to go to Portia and get married to her. Portia lives in Belmont, and this money he needs to travel to his lady love. Antonio does not have any money with him because he has already spent all his money on the ships that he has sent out for business. They both decide to go to the moneylender, Shylock, to get the 3,000 ducats that Bassanio needs. Shylock is a very rich man. He is a usurer. Usurer is a money lender. He lends money on very high rates of interest. Because Antonio is a Christian and Shylock is a Jew, they both hate each other. Antonio lends money to everyone without taking any interest from them, while Shylock lends money on high rates of interest. Shylock, today he has a chance to take revenge from Antonio, and so what he does is he says, okay, I will give you the 3,000 ducats that you need for 3 months, but you will have to pay me back on a particular date. Antonio says, okay, I will pay you back by a date. But they sign a bond, and in this bond they write it down that on this date, 3 months from today, Antonio will return the money of 3,000 ducats. And Shylock says, I want you also to write that if you are unable to return the money on that date, I will take a pound of flesh from near your heart. Antonio laughs and he says, what will you do with a pound of flesh from near my heart? But Shylock says, it is just in jest. It's just a joke. I know you will be able to return the money by that date, but if you are not able to return the money, then I will take a pound of flesh from near your heart. So this bond is signed. Now in this very act, the lottery of the caskets, Bassanio takes the money from Antonio and goes to Belmont to woo Portia for marriage. But her marriage depends upon the lottery of the caskets. She is not free to make a choice by herself because her father has told her that you will get married to only that person who opens a casket which has a photograph of yours in it. So this casket and this lottery takes place in Belmont, and many people, many princes and many kings and many quite rich people come to woo Portia for her hand in marriage. Portia's suitors come from far and wide, and they express their ability and their willingness to get married, but she doesn't like any of them. Baron of England is there, then lord is there, Scottish lord is there, and then there is another one, a German who is a drunkard, and they all have come to marry her, but she likes Bassanio. But there is another one, Prince of Morocco, who is about to arrive. In this act, we find that when Bassanio reaches Belmont, the Prince of Morocco was due to arrive. This is the story of the first act of this play. Tomorrow we will be doing the second act, so that you are able to understand what actually the story and how actually the story unfolds. The Merchant of Venice is a beautiful story full of stories. There are 4 stories running all through. Shakespeare is called a weaver of words. He weaves the words in such a way, he weaves the stories in such a way that you will love to read his plays. If you have the book, if you have the play with you, The Merchant of Venice, please read the first act, so that whatever I have told you, you can read it and understand it from there. See you tomorrow. Okay, bye bye.